say yeah.
You are thicker than a snicker, heavy like a Chevy. Come here, little mama, let me rub up on the belly. Hey, hey, let me rub up on the belly. Come on, little. 遛娃去。
Bark. Good boy.
Making my way back home, been a long day. Time to see my fluffy dog. Little scoo-doo-doo, scoo-doo-doo-doo.
Yo, if you follow people because they're cute, cool, because I do that too. But the problem here lies in the fact that you are not following me. I'm cute as hell. What the?
Good morning, Pebbles. Hi. Good morning. Hi. You want a cuddle? Hi, good morning.
Nose hugging my hand and smiling. Oh, you just gave my hand such a big hug.
I love you.
So they did a heartworm test,
She tried to cut my feet off, I think.
and you got a nail trim,
She stabbed me.
and you got a shot, yep.
Teddy, too far.
Oh, Norman, here. Talk to me.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh. We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty.
Shepherd or a husky?
Mine is a shepherd husky.
What you doing, boss? Hey, looking good. Right?
Is he choking?